Everybody, welcome back. It's Lifted Noise. It's Raul again, and today I got a moment, so I'm gonna work on a beat. I want to do some like boom bap. Got the MPC 500 in front of me. Found a couple little horn stabs off this record. I thought those sounded cool. Just got some drums here, and also I want to eventually start scratching with this thing. That's why I got the PT01 scratch, right? Because it's got the little imitation slider thing. But in the process of making this beat, it brought back this idea of this technique that I came across with the MPC 500. And it's pretty much emulating how to like do a scratch sound using the Q-Link slider on the 500. All right, so this is the drum beat I'm going for. I'm gonna program each individual sound onto a different track, starting with the hi-hats. This is what I've been doing lately. So this hi-hat pattern has somewhat of a swing to it. I usually just go with my kind of internal rhythm, but I just wanted to figure out a little bit more about swing, because I just kind of ignored this. So I did put it on 1/8 and then swing 60. So let's record that and start that. Good. Let's do a snare. I'm gonna turn the timing correct completely off for the snare. I don't need that. So I keep the timing correct off of my kick as well. Cool little swing with these drums, and now the funk with these horn stabs right here. Pretty much just 2 horn stabs. And very simply, for a little bit of flavor. Open up my little Akai MPK mini play for a bass. I'm gonna turn on my, let's see. Man, I've had this light on, but no one can see this. Okay. You could do like presets in this thing. So I made a preset with bass. It's the picked bass. Sounds decent enough. Got like little EQs on this thing, so once you like dial in EQs, you can save to favorites. So I got up to 8 favorites here, so that's pretty cool about this thing. I'll just sample this one note right here. Hmm. 12 levels. Set that to tune. I also set the play mode to note on, so I can. Yeah, the beat's pretty much done. Just like a looping, you know, boom bap kind of sound. It's kind of funky. The last thing, I was talking about this little scratch effect type thing. So I got the Q-Link. Let me show you. I got the Q-Link set up to control pitch, right? And then I got a little vocal sample right here that I've set the play mode to note on as well, so I can control. And then, you know, I'm not a DJ, and I'm not saying this is a good imitation, but it's kind of fun. Looking at the slider, I did set the range from -20 to 20 by default. It's like 120, between 120 and 120. So -20 to 20, that's something you can mess around with. So that's it. I'm working on some sound packs for the MPC 500, also as well as the new gen MPCs. If you want to support my channel, if you appreciate what I do here, you can sign up and become a patron of mine for just $1. And I got some small sample packs that I'm sharing. The sample packs are like drum sounds that I'm running and I'm layering and I'm running through my SP-404. And then I also have like royalty-free loops, melodies, and stuff that I'm creating with the MPC ONE. And also key groups, or in other words, for the MPC 500, just drum programs that are set up so that you have pitches and stuff. And if you have a MIDI keyboard, you can plug it in and you can play melodies and chords and that kind of deal. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I do enjoy watching beat making videos. It's always been something that inspires me, so I think that's what's inspired me to do the same thing. So hopefully I could do that for you guys. Please leave a comment, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, all that stuff, and go ahead and look for a link in the description as far as my Patreon goes, and then I'll also probably drop one in the comment section. So yeah, it's Raul, and I appreciate everything you guys do. I appreciate you coming and kick it with me, taking your time out your busy days to watch what I'm doing. And that's it. Until next time, stay humble, lift noise. God bless. Peace.